Hello everyone. So today is 25th of April 20. So basically it's 7 plus 4 is 2, and after that is 4 is 6. Venus energy. Venus means family, love, sexuality, artistic view. Um, so let's see what the cards are telling for today. So let me take out cards for today. So I have this Keepers of Light Oracle by Kyle Gray. He's a famous oracle card reader from UK. So let me see what the energy tells. It's the Jwal Call. Okay, please look at this card. Okay, it basically is dharma unfolding. It means that remember that you are on a path. Everybody is on a path these days. Take one step at a time to happiness. So you can be happy. You need to take one step ahead for the happiness. Okay. Let me take out another card that what the next card says. Dharma unfolding and the Radha. Okay, this card came yesterday also. What a beautiful card it can be. Here it's like some Tibetan monk, and here is Radha. Radha is your soul flame. Rediscover a lost part of yourself. Experience relationship harmony and healing. Whatever harmony and healing is coming in your life, experience that. Okay. So let's see what the third card says about 25th of April 2020, which is basically number 6, which is Venus. So it is the Shekinah. Okay, Shekinah is South African goddess. It basically is sacred self. It is unleash your spirit and express your gifts. Dance to the sacred rhythm of life. So it's basically Radha is dancing to the sacred rhythm of life, and the rhythm of life is the truth unfolding. So these are the 3 cards for today. Okay. So let's see what the other cards like. Next card I will take is today Angel Crystal cards, which are by Dorian Virtue. So let's see what the crystals are, telling us. So let's see what the crystals are telling on 5th of April 2020, which is like Venus energy. So here we go. Look at this card. How beautiful. It's opal. Okay. Let yourself sparkle and shine. It's not like that we are hidden inside our home. We should not shine. You are guided to be bold and show your bigger than life side to the world. So this is the opal energy which is telling everybody. Let's see what the other energy says. So this is the next card. I have not seen the card. You see it first. So it's basically sodalite, which is socialize or join in. Make healthy and supportive new friendships and connections by getting involved with a group of like-minded people. The same kind of card was coming day before yesterday also, where it was community card. So 2 cards fell. I'll take both of them. One is azurite and other one is tangenite. So basically deep emotional healing. It's all also talking about healing. Your heart is ready to heal from past experiences, and you're willing to devote time and energy towards the therapeutic care and ready to love again. It is again the Venus energy. You have been healed from past enough to open your heart to new love. So let's see what the Wisdom of Oracle by Colette Brain Red, what they are trying to say. So let's see. I'll take out 2 cards from it. So let's see. So the first card is Loyal Heart. It's all about heart energy because it's Venus. So Loyal Heart card number 3-5, which is number 8, slow and steady. Your heart is getting healed and you'll get the loyal relationships. And another one is Between Worlds. Between Worlds is card number 3, which is about your between worlds, like you're at your home and you're thinking about outside world. When you're outside, you're thinking about your home. You're thinking about family, you're thinking about yourself, you're thinking about your friends, your colleagues and your work. So it's that kind of energy. So heal yourself completely. That's what the Venus energy is all about. If you need any kind of consultations, you can always send me a message. Let me drop my number here, which is for WhatsApp 70115600. I can paste it. Okay, let me paste it. Okay, so if you need any kind of consultations, be it uh, numerology, tarot, astrology, past life regression, silver mind control, reiki, angel healing, you can always message me on WhatsApp with your details. I'll need your latest photograph and your date of birth with your full name, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and have a blessed day. It's Venus energy, so love yourself. Take care.